Passing your own tests is not enough when a product enters a regulated market. Someone outside the company has to confirm that the product conforms, and someone official has to permit it to the market. These two steps are certification and authorization, and they are often confused. So in this video, we look at what each term means, the chain of trust behind them, and how it affects system test. Starting with certification, which is the attestation of conformity by an independent party against a defined standard. It applies to three targets: the products, for example, conformance to safety or protocol standards; processes and quality management systems, like ISO 9001; and people, so qualification schemes like ISTQ. Certification is based on audits, assessments, and documented test evidence. It is voluntary in principle, but customers and markets often demand it. And it is time limited. Audits and revision keep it alive. Then authorization, which is the official permission by an authority to place a product on the market or to operate in it. Unlike certification, it is legally binding and mandatory in regulated domains. In automotive, this is homologation or type approval. Aviation, medical devices, and radio equipment follow the same pattern. The authority grants it on the basis of conformity evidence, often including certified test results. And it can be withdrawn. For example, if you have recalls, field measures, or if sales stops. So keep the difference in mind. Certification attests conformity, and authorization grants legal permission. Behind these terms sits a chain of trust. The authority defines the legal requirements and grants the authorization. Certification bodies and test labs attest conformity and run witnessed tests. Accreditation bodies confirm the competence of the certification bodies, so they check the checkers. And the manufacturer builds the product and delivers the evidence. That last link is where system test lives. And for system test, four things are important. First, the test basis. Certification programs, regulations, and laws are part of it, and it is a QA responsibility to find gaps there and escalate them. Second, the test cases. Homologation and certification tests are their own test case type, and tagging test cases as certification relevant works just like safety or regulation relevance. Third, the evidence. So this means results must be documented and reproducible, with traceability from regulation to requirement to test case and to the result. And finally, fourth, the execution. Audits can inspect your test plan, specification, and reports. And certification runs are a defined test mode with fixed scope, frozen configuration, and witnessed execution. So to summarize, certification is the independent attestation of conformity. Authorization is the legal permission from an authority. And for system test, you have to know your regulatory test basis, tag the relevance, and keep your evidence audit proof.